Hi there, hope you're good. Today I'm going to talk about orangutans. It's going to be fun and exciting, so watch it till end. Orangutans are found exclusively in the tropical rainforests on the Southeast Asian islands of Borneo and Sumatra. They inhabit lowland forests, including peat swamps, and primarily live in the canopy, relying on trees for food and shelter. They are highly arboreal tree-dwelling, spending nearly their entire lives in the forest canopy. Fruit is the most important component of an orangutan's diet, but they will also eat vegetation, bark, honey, insects, and bird eggs. Due to habitat destruction from palm oil plantations and logging, they are often confined to remaining fragments of forest. Time for a swim, my friend. Let's do it. All right, time for a treat. Does that taste good, buddy? Isn't this incredible, buddy? They use a variety of sophisticated tools and construct elaborate sleeping nests each night from branches and foliage. Okay, here we go. It's time to climb that tree, buddy. Oh, let's do it. Orangutans are the most solitary of the great apes. Social bonds occur primarily between mothers and offspring. These adult males develop distinctive cheek pads and make calls that attract females. Look at this. They are just amazing. Oh, wow, that's sweet. You're pulling my hair. Hey, you're strong. Okay, just relax. Hope you enjoyed. See you in next exciting adventure. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.